How do you say Monday in Spanish? The word Monday in Spanish is lunes. Lunes. For example, tengo una reunión el lunes. Tengo una reunión el lunes. I have a meeting on Monday. El lunes empiezo el curso. El lunes empiezo el curso. On Monday I'm starting the course. Now just notice that in Spanish, the days of the week don't use capital letters, which is not like English, and so lunes is a lowercase l. Now in English, Monday means moon day, that's where it comes from, and in Spanish it's the same thing. In Spanish, the moon is la luna, and so you can see how la luna becomes lunes. Los lunes trabajo desde casa. Los lunes trabajo desde casa. On Monday I work from home. ¿Qué haces el lunes por la noche? ¿Qué haces el lunes por la noche? What are you doing Monday night? El supermercado está cerrado los lunes. El supermercado está cerrado los lunes. The supermarket is closed on Mondays. So if you want to say Monday in Spanish, you say lunes. If you want to learn to speak Spanish, you can get my course 3-Minute Spanish at www.3minlanguages.com. And if you use the code WELCOME at checkout, you can get a discount. Gracias.